Alright, today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, I have an extra special guest, the rightful heir to the throne, Mr. James, King James as we call him, here at the Kingdom. Today we're going to go over a couple cool features if you have a little baby around the house. First though, I need my mattress Prince to appear. Whoa! Alright, so one cool feature about this, if you have a little guy that squirms around like this, if he, does a little something in his pants or maybe he pukes up or anything, show him that cool feature. No problem with the Tempur-Pedic mattress. You can actually take the cover off completely, wash it, wash it in a jiff, dry it on low heat, and you can put it on in the same day. Pretty cool feature. One other cool feature about this adjustable base is you can actually, if you have a guy that's crawling around picking himself up, you can see it separates right there. If we put on flat, I'm going to have Pete demonstrate. If you put your hand down there, it's not going to pinch him on any metal or anything like that. Do you see there? How's that feel, Pete? I promise. Oh, look, his hand's still there, all phalanges and everything. Hey, we got our little guy, so we don't have gonna go too detailed for you guys, but thanks you for joining Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Say bye, James. Bye. See you guys.